We're going to run a camera from the sewer lateral inspection, address 254 Cartagena. This is the clean out access. It's a two-way. Pipe. At this point, it's going to transition to clay. You can see a little bit of an on that connection. See the lip of the clay pipe there. You got some roots at that point here. That's about 39 feet away from the clean out. You got another joint. Clay is the clay pipe fittings are every 4 feet, and then you have another connection that has root intrusion. Small amount of roots there. And that is the tie-in to the city. We're at 59 feet to the city tie-in in the street.